This is the Kloudless File Explorer, an open-source UI-based JavaScript library that enables applications to integrate 20+ cloud storage services with just a few lines of code. By implementing a single script tag, you can allow your users to authenticate and then take advantage of all the functionality offered in our Unified Cloud Storage API. Once embedded, the Kloudless File Explorer will take users to a screen with every available connector offered. Clicking on a pane will lead to a standard OAuth flow where the user will authenticate with any of their preferred services. As a quick side note, this process can be entirely white-labeled as well to keep your users from knowing Kloudless's role in the process. All of these cloud storage services are available to authenticate with through the File Explorer, and users may authenticate with as many services as they wish. Once authenticated, a user's cloud storage account will be available in a clickable UI folder structure and allow full access over the files and folders inside. Because of Kloudless's unique abstraction layer, all JSON responses from the Unified Cloud Storage API will be returned in an identical format thanks to Kloudless's unified data models. Here, we see a visualized response of the object from Google Drive of an image file. Next to it, we can see the response of a different image from Dropbox. You'll notice that the structure of both objects is identical thanks to the format created by the unified data model. What this allows you to do as a developer is revolutionary. Instead of having to write complex functions to parse the data for the pertinent information, you can know exactly what to expect before you've ever even accessed an API. Imagine never having looked at the documentation for an API before and already knowing exactly what the response object will look like. To get started today, head over to kloudless.com and sign up for a free account to code once and integrate many.